Do you want a Ferrari but can't afford a Ferrari? There's a new breed of kit for poor people to totally transform their everyday mundane runaround into a supercar. No need to worry about imitators, this kit is exclusive, so you're safe knowing you're the only prat driving around pretending to be rich. Other people may be talking behind your back, isn't that a Mercedes? But you're the one that's driving your dream. Why buy a Ferrari when you can have the look of a Ferrari for a fraction of the cost? It's cheaper than buying a Ferrari, and let's be honest, who will ever be able to tell the difference? Me. Oh, bless him, look how happy that guy is. You know why? Because he is lying to himself. That it's okay to pretend that he owns a Ferrari. He knows he's done a good job, and to the untrained eye, most people won't be able to tell that it's not a Ferrari. I think even Stevie Wonder would be able to spot that this is a big fat fake. I think even the National Kit Car Club wouldn't accept that rolling scrapyard with a Ferrari badge on it. I've always wondered what type of person goes out their way to Frankenstein their original car into a replica. People always comment in the comment section of these videos that I do of replica cars, but these people are craftsmen. They've taken the time and effort to build the car of their dreams. Okay then.
Fuck. That was a beer. And that was the glass. Oh yeah.
Guys, cover your eyes. This is either a Ferrari that's had acid thrown at it, or just a piss poor attempt at a 458 replica. Behold! Don't get me wrong, I'm sure with a lick of paint and some major adjustments and a V8 engine that will look and sound exactly like a Ferrari. Well, at least they haven't butchered my dream Ferrari. Oh no, wait, they have. That's one way to turn a dream into a nightmare. Look at the state of it. I think it's meant to be a Ferrari F50, but resembles something more like a lobster that's been crapped on by some seagulls with dodgy stomachs. Look at all that empty wheel space in them arches. This car should come with its own warning. Mind the gap. What do you mean that's not a Ferrari 360? Quick zoom into the wheels before they realise. Wowee, whoever's built this has done a fantastic effort of making this MR2 look absolutely nothing like a Ferrari. I bet the guy got this from Dodgy Dave down the market, the same place the driver probably buys his hooky Ralph Lauren t-shirts or Calvin Kleinsman jackets. And fair play as well to the designer of this replica kit, turning the 360 Spider, normally a soft top, into a retractable hardtop. Not a huge giveaway at all, just in case the ghastly first sight wasn't enough. Oh, god damn it, my mistake. It was meant to be a Bugatti after all. Oh my god, take my eyes, but not the Koenig Testarossa. Oh, I feel a warning coming on. Mind the gap. It's looking more like a monster truck than a Ferrari, but what am I to snigger at someone else driving their dream car? I really didn't know people dreamt of owning a Ferrari monster truck, but each to their own. Ooh, look what I found, a Ferrari California. Keep filming, can't wait for this beast to start up and we can all hear that V8 engine roar. Oh, fooled again, god damn you Mercedes SL. Uh-oh, look at that rear wheel, you know what's coming? Mind the gap. How'd you take something that's so beautiful, something so iconic, and just replicate it to make it look like something from a horror movie? You can't even say that these people are paying homage to the car with something that looks so horrific. What's that light stuck on with sellotape? It's starting to resemble a smiling platypus from the front. Enzo would be turning in his grave. If you think that was a bad attempt at a Ferrari F50, what the flaming hell is this? I didn't know Ferraris did shopping trolleys. Looks like it's had a third chopped off and then the car welded back together. Two guesses says underneath it's a Toyota MR2, as it basically still looks exactly like one, with a wing modded onto the rear and some Ferrari style lights and a few Ferrari badges stuck to it. Sorry guys, thought I'd add some ghastly music to go with this ghastly creation. Is that a Dodgems or a bumper car, I hear you cry? Nope, it's actually a Honda Accord 430. I mean Ferrari F430. It's as high as a kite sat on them stilts. Some people just don't have the eye for vision or design. The guy who created this must have just had no eyes altogether. Has it been moulded out of plastic? And the rear has an elephant sat on its trunk, or boot to us Brits. Guys, if you're thinking about buying or creating a supercar replica, don't! I mean seriously, look at the howlers in this video. It's not a Ferrari, it'll never be a Ferrari, people aren't stupid and will still be able to tell that it's not a Ferrari and it's an MR2, and you're just kidding yourself. That's pretty much it guys, my eyes are now stinging, I need to go and wash them out with bleach.